2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.